Alright guys, this is my sharpshooter, MP001. It comes with changeable hop-up. Just to let you know, if you're going to order this off eBay, which I did, and I thought I was going to get a rifle scope and a bipod, didn't get any of that. All I did is get the gun. It's right here. So, I'll show you this right now. Put up. You get the gun. That's it. It's just the gun. It has the IRS right here. You can put the scope on it, which I'm going to buy one soon. So, got the clip down here. Press the button. Fill it up. Pop it in. Cock back. And yeah, 450 FPS. It's pretty sweet. Hop up is right here. You got a little switch. It says normal and hop up. Hop up, normal. Hop up, normal. I recommend it. Go out and get it for $77 off eBay. Black or wood.